Okay, so I'm back with my 177 Webley Mk6, and we had a bit of a retake there because those two different rounds just tore the card, couldn't make the difference to really see the difference, so we're going to take two cards, 177, and reset it for 2-2. So here goes, it's 177, again single action, freestanding. Move it out, yep. I'll change the card. Into the 2-2. Okay, we're out. Bring it up and have a look at that. Right, now this looks bad, but something might be wind. But I'll definitely move around a bit more with the 177. But they're the 177 shots. You can see you've got 3 there, and these here. But what really looks quite impressive is the 2-2, because that's 6 shots there. That's pretty good actually. So I think really I wasn't totally still with the 177, but yeah, I know it's more accurate than that because I've shot this 177 quite a lot, and definitely not. But that's a 2-2. You've got 5 shots there, nicely grouped. Okay, so we're going to go out to 12.5 meters now. Just going to pause this, come back. So I'm back with my Webley Mk6 177. I've got a target at 12.5 meters. I'm going to do 6 shots freestanding and see how we do. Here you go, single action. Okay, 6 shots. Just going to change the target. And we're going to do the same in 2-2 caliber. They're getting single action again. It's only 10 degrees today, so it's pretty cold. And it's a bit blustery. You can see the flag blowing down the bottom of the range. Right, 6, right, bring that up. Okay, good. So the aim point was obviously roughly the same. I was moving around a little bit, obviously being freestanding, but you can see you've got the 177 there, pretty good grouping. So it is a bit blustery and gusty at the moment. You see the wind blowing. So yeah, there's 4 freestanding. You've got 5 shots there, one slightly to one side, probably moved a little bit, but that's pretty good. In 2-2, obviously grouped a little low, obviously, be a heavier pellet, but you see you've got 4 shots there, and these 2 here again probably moved a little bit, but that's pretty good from a plinking revolver. Okay, so now what to do is pause this, and I'm going to set up the reload, and we're going to try and take these cans out at 12.5 meters. That's soon. Back with the Webley Revolvers again. We've got some cans at 12.5 meters. I'm going to try and knock them down, top to bottom, freestanding, single action. Just going to zoom in on them, and then we'll pause this and go and reset them back up for the 2.2s. So here we go. So they're the 6 we're going to aim at. There you go. This is the 177. That one's enough meat. Up again. Again, big meat again. So that was pretty good. I was moving a little bit there, freestanding. Okay, so I've got the 2.2 version here. Again, we're going to take some shots at those cans at 12.5 meters. I'm going to zoom in again, freestanding, single action, and see the difference between the 2 pellets. I'm going to aim probably slightly above these because these obviously are hitting lower. In 2.2. Winged it. Winged it. So, as I said, I winged the final one. Didn't quite hit it square, but that's pretty good. That's 12.5 meters. It's a bit gusty down there, but yeah, that's the 2.2 version. You notice a lot more energy. I have to aim slightly higher than the 177 because obviously you've got a more a looped trajectory with a heavier pellet. But even though the energy is only slightly more, it's only about 0.3 foot-pound extra energy over the 177. Yeah, you have to aim it a little bit higher. Not much, yeah, just about probably half an inch. But yeah, see the way they actually knock on further, much more effective and much more fun. So what we're going to do is pause this, reset the ones at 15 meters, which have been blown over by the wind, and see if we can hit them. Back soon. Hi, so I'm back with the 177 version of the Webley Mk6, and I've got some cans at 15 meters. I'm going to zoom in on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and take them out. I've got 6 shots. I'm going to try and take the top one out first, and then hopefully the next 3 in that order. It's quite gusty down there, and the 177 will get blown around a bit more. But again, freestanding single action. Here we go. I have to aim slightly above the can, I think. Missed that one. Try again. Yeah. Yeah, and there is one can next to it. Set that one up there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we took that final can out at 12.5 meters with the final shot. So we're up there. So that's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good at all. I did aim slightly above it. With the 2.2, I may well have to aim a little bit above that point as well. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Back shortly. Okay, so I'm back with the 0.22 version of the Webley Mk6, and I've got the can set up at 15 meters. Again, freestanding single action. I'm going to try and take them out from the top to the bottom. So there they are. So here goes. We're going to aim probably a bit higher than the 177. See how we do. 15 metres out. It's a bit gusty down there. The light's starting to fade as well, which is making the sights a little difficult to see. Yeah, I had to aim quite a bit to above that. Where that went. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And we'll just zoom out a touch, because there is another target in the grass. You can just see it in the distance there. That's a 20 metre can. Let's see how close we can get to that one. There it is. That's 20 metres out. Got one shot left. Let's see how close we can get to it. Let me just see it from this distance. These obviously these fixed sights. I'm going to have to aim some point above it, I think. I'm not sure where that went, whether we actually saw it, but it was probably a complete miss. But hey, we will review the video and see exactly where that went, if it was anywhere near. Thanks for watching.